The second place that you can have an x value that isn't on the function for a rational function is a vertical asymptote. So a vertical asymptote is the vertical line in which the graph continues to approach, but it never touches and it never crosses. So it's a boundary line. You can find where a vertical asymptote will occur by setting your denominator equal to 0 after you cancel anything that can be canceled. Okay? So we're going to look at the same example that we looked at for our whole, but now we're going to find the vertical asymptote. So here's the function that we were looking at in our first example. And our first step for finding a vertical asymptote is to cancel out anything that can be canceled. So again, this is where your holes would occur. So cancel out and find where your holes would be. And then go about your asymptote. So I can cancel out my x plus 1 again. So this leaves me with the function, it's going to be 1 over x minus 3. So I'm going to set the remaining denominator equal to 0. So the remaining denominator is x minus 3. And then step 4 says to solve. So x minus 3 equals 0, and then add 3 to both sides. So at x equals 3, a vertical asymptote will happen. And that means the function is going to keep approaching x equals 3, but is never going to actually be x equals 3. It's just going to get closer and closer and closer and closer.